Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your tools. Open Chrome, sign into Google, and enable Google Docs voice typing so you can capture accurate dictation. Once done, plug in or select your microphone in System Settings and run a quick level test. Make sure gain is not too high. Now open Microsoft Word and position the cursor where you want text. This approach uses Google's speech engine for accuracy before transferring text into Word. You'll copy-paste or use a Chrome extension to move the dictated text. Now you start dictating. Switch to Google Docs and choose Tools, then Voice Typing. Click the microphone icon to begin. Speak in short phrases and say punctuation like comma, period, new paragraph. This makes editing much faster later. While dictating, watch for mistyped words and correct them quickly so the engine adapts to your voice. Once current sections are complete, select the text and copy it, or use a Clipboard Manager or Chrome extension to paste directly into Microsoft Word, with formatting preserved. To finish, paste your dictated content into Word, then apply styles, headings, and run Word's editor for grammar and clarity suggestions. If transcription errors persist, stop and retrain the microphone by adjusting system input or using a different mic. Make sure background noise is reduced and the correct language is selected in Google Docs. If copying removes formatting, export as docx from Google Docs or paste using Keep Source Formatting. Troubleshooting tip: if voice stops responding, refresh Chrome and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.